Hi everyone! Today, I'd like to share with you a Unity project called Cube Jump. It's a simple but really fun little game. The main goal is to control a small cube and make it jump forward onto the next platform. The longer you hold down your mouse or touch the screen, the farther the cube will jump. If it misses and falls to the ground, it explodes, and the game is over. The farther you go, the higher your score. Simple rules, but surprisingly addictive. I really enjoy it, and I hope you will too. This Unity asset comes with several great features. 1. It's a complete game template ready to use. 2. Easy to modify, you can customize and upgrade it any way you like. 3. Includes everything: scripts, UI, sound effects, and visual effects. 4. Well-commented code, great for learning or editing. 5. Ready for iOS and Android builds. 6. Fully supports the URP render pipeline, and can easily be adapted for others by adjusting the materials. I placed the download and purchase link in the video description and pinned comment below. Feel free to check it out. If this video gets over 1,000 likes, I'll consider creating a step-by-step tutorial on how to build this game from scratch. It'll be perfect for beginners who want to learn Unity game development. Finally, making videos like this takes a lot of time and effort, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome Unity game assets and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.